Hayi injalo wengaze thonga. Bholoza amafinkosana. Shingishanisa umoya mavula vala izina amadoda. Nomzana amanzi ngingetshe. Dubla amadubulani into mzasizweni. Iyona inyanga le lapha ekhaya. Ngoba liqoka yakhe ongenagobela hayi ngoba afa. Akasoza bekhona. We sengibona ngifundisa. Hey inkanyamba emhlophe indoda phinde yekaningi. Hey. Mawenza umlomo ongathethi imanga. Ushando wandaba umthiyanga ngomafaza bethiya amahlahla. Ushando onganathi intendeni yesandla ngiyanela. Nasomthini onkhonto ngiyahlala ngithi cha baba. Yeah, asike sithinde kancane lento again. Yeyinhlanhla. Zokwelapha. All right. Number 1. Asike siqale. Oh yeah, I've done many videos on this. Ukwelapha kuhlukene ngeinhlanhla ezine. Kulezi inhlanhla ezine ezikhona. Oh angibe ngesilungu. Oh for my I forget sometimes I've got some people that don't understand the native language. All right. So when we talk about healing, we're talking about healing that has 4 different segments, right? So in these segments, there are also segments within. Let's go back to this again. I think I spoke about this sometime last year. There are spiritual laws, there are spiritual languages. And within these things, there are also spiritual guides. Spiritual guides provide you with spiritual messages. Right? Sharp. So let's go back to the healing part. So healing is divided into 4 different segments. Right. So when we talk about north, east, south and west, mahlele sithi hayi magumbi namanye omhlaba. Hayi magumbi namanye omhlaba. Inyakatho, iningizimu, impuma nentshonalanga. So we're saying north, east, south and west. Sharp. Those are the 4 different areas, right? Fine gear, and within those areas there are other areas, whatever the case may be. But now let's look at the flip side. Let's look at the flip side. Ngesimo sani sokwelapha. There are people that can heal with land reform things. Izinto zakuphi zasemhlabeni, right? Yes. So I'm talking about the crops. I'm talking about the roots. Ngikhuluma ngayo impande, imithi, ihlahla, etc. Kube khona umuntu okwazi ukwelapha ngani? Ngamanzi. Pure water. Others, obviously, they'll refine the water. They'll put A, B, C, or D, depending on the problem at hand or the situation at hand. Then you get those that use umoya, pure umoya only. They don't burn anything. They don't they don't burn anything. And abayisebenzisa impande, abayisebenzisa amanzi. Bayibambe ngomoya. Bayithinte bayithunuke mfana ngomoya. And then there's the last one. The last one, which is this one. Fire. Kube khona abantu abakwazi ukwelapha ngomlilo. Ayangizwa. Kunenhlobo yabantu abakwazi ukwenza njani ukwelapha ngawo umlilo. Right? There are many things we can do ngomlilo. Ayamatshe lawo. Mangithanda ufaka umuntu esifuthweni. Mangithanda ngabeka nje lapha ya. Mangithanda ngenza noma yini. There are people that heal with this. There is a specific way of dealing with this. Right? Ayasibambe lapho. Ayinjalo emadoda. Ayijiki uma isinje.